What's up, everybody? It's Mac. I'm going to go over my trades from today, Tuesday, February 18th, 2025. Now, yesterday was Monday the 17th, President's Day. Markets were closed. Futures were open until 1 o'clock Eastern, but I did not trade because I knew it was a low volume day, and I went back and looked. None of the signals would have played out. It would have been one break even, and then one signal went, neutral into the close that I think would have been a small loss. So no trades were taken yesterday. First trade today, we start out green, hit this skyline, come down, strong candle down. This is the open candle, strong down, wick up, close under the VWAP. I'm looking for a sell. Here's the sell with a nice position up here, not down here, but up here closer to VWAP. So took the sell, a little bit of drawdown, nice close on this candle, and then boom, we hit the target. This one kept going. Actually, we were talking about it in the high strike community. This one kept going about 116 points. So we were trying to determine what's the average move a bag signal takes, and I've done the math, and if it reaches the 1-to-1 and doesn't come back, on average it hits 90 points. And that's, including some that go 300 points on huge move days, and some that go 150, 200. Then some only go 48, 49, 50. So they barely hit our target. But here in this first hour and a half, opening part of the day, these usually go for a big move. So I think tomorrow I'm going to start going for a 2-to-1 risk reward. I'm going to go for 60 points on the win and 30 still on the loss. So this would have been right there. Same thing, just 15 more points. That would have been a solid move down. We had room to get there to the snow line here. So that was the first play. We kind of went sideways for a while. Go neutral, start crossing over. Keep respecting the snow line for a while. But again, nothing. Then we break below, and then we're the sell. Now this was kind of late. This was, after 1:30 when this signal went off. Pretty close to my end of my day. So I took this first win, and that was the end of my day. I didn't take this trade, which I think it actually would have played out. Let's see. Yep, would hit right here. But played around and draw down a lot. Now this would have been a good entry off the 21. I had more room down. So I think that would have hit a 2-to-1 right there. Maybe, almost. No, not quite. Not quite a 2-to-1 on that play. But again, I'm talking about these earlier plays, the signals between the open and 11 o'clock. That's what I think I'm going to be doing going forward. I'll still do the same 1-to-1, go to break even, but I'm going to raise my target to a 2-to-1. And I may have less of a win percentage, but getting that extra half hour per trade will pay off in the long run, I think. So that's it for today. On to tomorrow. Is going to be Wednesday. Now, tomorrow is FOMC minutes at 2 o'clock Eastern. Now, the last day there was FOMC minutes, Bag signaled, I think, 7 trades, and 6 of them were losers. So I'm going to be extremely cautious tomorrow, and I might even lock my account out early in the morning and not even take a trade tomorrow, because FOMC minutes was a horrible day last month for Bag. Just up and down, range-bound action, signal here, stop, signal there, stop, signal there, stop. So I'm probably going to be better off with a $0 day tomorrow. But I'll let you know. If there's a video, I took some trades. If there's no video, I did not take a trade. Peace out.